When I was a child, there were 7 of us. My dad was a fireman, and he worked 2 other jobs to try and support the family. Luxuries like going to the dentist wasn't in the financial picture. I went with partials, root canals, every tooth problem that you can think of, cavities. I've had it, I've experienced it. I've had issues eating, meeting people. It was like this when I talk to them. And I don't like doing that. I mean, I think that's disrespectful to the person you're speaking with. I went to another dental place. I could have put a huge down payment on a home for the price that they were going to charge me. I have bills to pay like everyone else, and I couldn't do that. And then I continued to look around, and I found this place. Instantly, we bonded. Instantly, Dr. Galvan, he is the man. He is the man. He came in very polite, explained every detail that he did on my teeth, every movement he made. He explained what he was doing and why he was doing it. Because I knew everyone in this clinic respected me, understood my anxiety. That's family. That's family. When I looked in the mirror after everything was put in, I didn't have a chin. He put the post in a position to where my chin stood out, and I have a regular chin, and I have a smile, and I can eat, and I can be proud, and that's what I got just by coming here.